when you feel, you make it real. So when you feel, you make it real. Think about when you're watching a movie. When you're watching a movie, these are actors, trained actors, paid actors. That you might be crying about a particular scene, but in reality, whatever you're crying about didn't even happen, and it's not even real. Why? Why do you feel emotion? Why are real tears pouring down your eyes? Everything is imagined. You're going to have a certain outcome because of what you imagine. So your belief comes from your imagination. And what you believe, you take action on. To believe, it could be two-sided. Either you can believe you can or you can't. Either way, you are right. A lot of us are not making the money that we want to have because we have a bad imagination. See, we imagine the things going wrong. We imagine the things not happening the way we want it to have happen. Let's say that again. We imagine things happening the way that we don't want it to happen. Well, I'm going to pray for the best and I prepare for the worst. Make sense? It doesn't really make sense. That's like saying I'm going to have a plan B. We're planning with a contingency that if A doesn't work out, we fall back on here. Ultimately, that's what you're planning for. You're planning for failure, or you're planning to do the B activity. All right? Because the imagination, we live in an imaginary world. And the reason why I'm getting to this is because this is what's going to be the number one thing that breaks through to your knowledge of what you already have as existing tools and expand your tool set. It's your imagination. This is why we say we take your mindset, turn it into a tool set. And the tool set, your skill set, creates the asset. All right? Or it allows you to be the person that can purchase an asset. And then you're able to manage the asset and multiply the asset. But first, you have to expand your imagination. So, who could you truly be? Expand your imagination. If everything in the world is imaginary, then your results that you currently have is because of what you imagined. Right now, in this very moment, I need you to imagine who you truly are. Right now, in this very moment, I need you to imagine who you truly are. See, you're not just a human being. When you look at the word human, let's break it down really fast. So words cast spells. Words, language creates your reality. So the language that you are speaking creates your reality.